Here's a fun quote from the Quran, kill them wherever you find them. It's from the Quran. I can tell you. You don't have to watch the news to hear that quote. I'll tell you myself. It says kill them wherever you find them. And I love talking about it too. Oh, I love it. You know why? Because I believe if it's properly explained, without washing the meaning down, without watering it down, genuinely talking about the text in its original historical context, I have no shame in talking about it, and I'm actually proud of it, and I think any civilized human being would be too. That's what I think. It's just not talked about it that way. Is it possible that a text can be manipulated? Yes. Tell me about it. Tell me about it. I'm sitting on a plane sometime, person sitting next to me, I'm reading the Quran in Arabic. They're like, what you reading there? I'm like, Quran. You know, and that makes for some fun conversation. You know? Sometimes it doesn't. Sometimes there's awkward silence after that, like, can I check my seat? Awkward. Or sometimes it makes for some fun conversation. Doesn't that book say to kill everybody? It's like, well, you're alive. What is it actually? What is it talking about? Maybe some other sessions I might explain that stuff to you guys. Let's take all the verses that are quoted all the time, that are used as a basis to say, these Muslims, oh, you watch out for these Muslims. Look at what their book says. You know what? I don't like to play that game. Because if you want to play that game with any book, you can. With any book. With any religious tradition. It's easy to play that game. But to actually go and talk to someone and say, I've heard this is what it says. What's it actually talking about? How have you guys understood this for 1,400 years and not had a problem? And how come nowadays there's this chaos? That's a discussion to be had. That's something we need to understand. This book deserves to be understood for what it really is. For what it really has to say.